I really enjoy working here. Everyone's very friendly and approachable. My job as a structural engineer will involve assessing a structure that an architect has drawn and basically putting the bones in the meat, as it were, to keep it standing up. And I found that there's a lot of experience here. There's always someone you can ask a question to, which is incredibly useful.
I've settled in really well. Everybody's really friendly and helpful, so it's made it easy to settle in. I knew nothing about what I was coming into.
I've got a brilliant opportunity at the minute as a trainee technician, and I think anybody that wants to do this sort of role should definitely go for it.
Professional qualifications outside of the business are always promoted. So there's someone in my team at the moment that's completing a degree on a part-time basis, and also the BWB pay for one professional membership per year for each employee.
We are quite a social team within the sector that I work, but I think because the office is open plan, it makes it a lot easier to communicate with the other areas that you work in.
I would class BWB as sort of a medium-sized company, which is a bit of the middle ground. If it's too small, there's nowhere to go. If it's too big, it's really difficult to get the opportunities.
I never thought I'd be doing something like this. It was literally I just went for it, and I enjoy it loads, and I do actually want a career in this.
I'd say definitely come and work for BWB. They're such a friendly bunch of people. They'll help you promote your professional skills, and it's just such a brilliant company to work for.
Every project we work on is different. It's got its own problems, its own challenges.
We have clients who are demanding, but they're very good clients as well, at the same sense. Ultimately, you need to work hard to deliver.
Useful qualities would be to be friendly, approachable, but also efficient in what you do.
The atmosphere in BWB is generally upbeat. It's a professional place, but it's fun to work in.
The opportunities which are on hand here at BWB are fantastic.
One of the projects that I've worked on is Blackpool Tower. So I've done a lot of structural work and drawing up with regards to that.
Interesting ones include a flood risk assessment that we did for a site in Australia. So it's not just working in the UK, we've got some international projects.
I think one of the most interesting things of the business is that you don't just get stuck in one office, you can move about. I'm splitting my time between the Birmingham office and the London office.
Even sort of at this level, some of the additional skills that are needed to manage a team, if you haven't got those, the management team will help you develop them. They're very hands-on, but also give you your space to find how you're best to run in the role.
I'd like to think that BWB is quite unique and different to a lot of our larger competitors in that people who work in this business are big cogs in a relatively small wheel rather than just a number in a very large organisation.
I joined from a very large organisation that was 20,000 people and you felt you never got your voice heard. Here we're a very open culture. Everyone can have their input, everyone can have their say, everyone can have the opportunity to help steer where the company is going and play a part in delivering that.
We try and create platforms and steering groups that enable everyone at all levels to contribute to the way that the company is being directed. We're looking for individuals within BWB that are really going to contribute to innovation.
There's a lot of change going on at the moment. There's a lot of growth in the business, new clients, new geographies, new services that we're offering.
The culture that we have is collaborative, I'd say, and with that comes some energy, and it's a place I like to be in.
We listen to each other. We actively encourage people to challenge each other and to think how we can do things better.
There is a golden age of engineering starting to unfold, and it's a very exciting time.